Today I'm going to show you how to create automatic page numbers on Affinity Publishers by using the master page. In this magazine mockup, I created a couple of pages of this, and you can see that there's page number on the bottom right hand corner, page 1, and also on the bottom of this as well. So I'm going to show you how to create these pages here so you don't have to manually do it again and again. After you create the document, click on the master page. Now on the master page, anything you put in here will show up on all the other pages of your document. For example, if I were to create a rectangle, that's going to show up on all of the pages as well. I'll make it red so you can see it better. And same with text boxes. And that's going to show up on every page. And when you go back on the actual page, you can't change it at all because it's already locked in as default format. And I'm going to show you later how to do it individually. But first, let's create some page numbers. So on the master page, click on the frame text tool or the artistic text tool. There's no right or wrong way to do it, but I'm just going to use the text box to do so. I'm going to drag it out, whoops, change it down to column 1, and I'm going to make it a little smaller. And from here, I'm going to go to text, go to insert, fields, and page number. Going to push a line left. And now there should be a hashtag, and this hashtag represents the consecutive numbers that will appear on every page. I'm going to copy this by holding Control and drag it across the page. Hold on to Shift to make it even, and to right there, align right, and that's it. And that's how you create your first couple of pages. And if you click on the page 1, you should see a number 1 on the bottom right hand corner. And on the next page, it's the same thing. 2, 3, 4, 5. Now going back to the master page, I'm going to make it a little smaller so I can place extra text in here. And this is going to be the title of the magazine. Let's say Graphite Magazine. Gonna put it center, somewhere right here, and we drag it across, duplicate it, and call it Summer 2023. And I think I'll make it lowercase. Every page is going to have the same elements, and that doesn't look very good. I'm just going to take both of these right here and make it line up with the number. There we go. Okay, now it looks a little strange because normally magazines and books do not start the cover page with a number. So how do we start on a different page? Well, here's how you do it. First, on page 1, go ahead and go clear masters, and that's going to clear everything out from the page so that this page is no longer associated with Master A. And same thing with the inside cover. Make sure you click once, not the entire document, and that's going to clear out as well. Clear masters, and I'm going to do the same with the back page and the inside back page. But it's still a number 3. How do we change that without having to go into the text box itself? On the pages bar on the left hand corner, there should be a bookmark that says Section Manager. Click on that, and that's going to show you a default section. So we have to customize it. Go to Add Section, click on it, and we're going to start on page 3. And you're going to restart the page number at number 1, and that should automatically be filled in. And let's call this Numbered Pages. And we're going to close it. And now every page should have a different number order with page 1 starting on page 3 of the document. So I'm going to go down and check every page. Yep, everything is still clear. Page 26 should be the last page. Going back to the master page, I'm going to show you how to change individual elements of a particular page. So let's say that on the master page you want to create a couple of more little design elements around the page. Let's say on page 10 you don't want this to be green, so instead you want it to be purple. How do you change it? Go to the layers panel, click on the arrow, and it will show you every single element of those 2 pages. Click on the rectangle, and you can't move it because it's already linked to the master page. So to change it, go to layers, go to master page, and edit detached. Click on it, and now you are free to change this shape however you want, or even delete it. But I'm not going to do that. This greenish bar means that you can change anything you want on this page. You can select the donut, I can always move it around. I can change a different color, and I can change this into purple. And then when you're done, go finish, and now this page is different than the other pages here. And that is it for creating numbered pages on Affinity Publisher. If you have any questions, comment below and I'll do my best to respond the best I can. Thanks for watching.